Hi, this is my first video process journal entry for my personal project. I'm building a robot arm, and it's November 25, 2015. So I'm getting started today because I finally got the actual arm here in the mail yesterday. So I'm just gonna open it up and see what's inside. So these are the plastic parts here. The gears and such. And these are the main parts here. Obviously the most important part is the sticker. So here's the base, so this will give you a little idea of how big it is, how big it will be, and then everything else in here is just gonna go on top of it for the arm. And then this is a little grabber part here, so that's cool. And then we have the 4 hobby servos. The reason I'm using servos over motors is because it's so small that I don't really need the extra power from motors. And also, I don't really intend to lift anything that's more than what these can handle. Also, motors don't give me as much freedom in terms of movement, whereas with servos I can have one servo make something move 4 or 5 different directions, so that's going to be cool. Hardware, screws and everything. I don't really need anything else. It came with Allen wrench, so that's all I need to put it together, which is going to be cool, except for putting the servos on, like permanently attaching them to the plastic parts. Other than that, I also have all of the electronic components as well. So this is going to be the main part of the project here, is all this. And especially coding. This is going to be primarily a coding project rather than a building project because I bought everything out of a kit. So this is the breadboard so that I can test all the circuits that I make before doing anything permanent. This is the computer. It's a Arduino Uno R3. So that's this. It's got a couple of ports, so the way that it's going to be powered is USB cable. Yeah, this is a pretty cool thing. It's similar to a Raspberry Pi. Arduino is open source platform to an extent, mostly for coding. They use what's called sketches to basically just run things. You just run a sketch. It's like a little program, and then it just makes the servos do stuff. So these are just resistors, LEDs, if I want to put flashing lights on it, I guess. These are all the wires and stuff. And then, yeah, I can just plug this in, and then I just put wires in it and resistors and everything, and then hook it up to the computer, plug this in to my laptop, and then, like, the first thing I'll probably do is make sure, like, I can make it work with these lights. So just put a light here, attach it to here, and then plug this in and see if it lights up, and if it does, then it works. So, yeah, I'm going to keep a lot of these videos short and to the point, at least until I'm finished building the actual arm portion, because, like I said, the main portion of this project is going to be actually coding. So the plan is to have this arm eventually be able to like pick up, you know, small things off a table, like a dice or something like that, stack them up, and then also the main program that I want to do is have it be able to like play a little bit of chess or something like that. I think this is pretty much the perfect size. I have like a little chessboard, so this grabber thing will be pretty much the perfect size to pick up those chess pieces. And yeah, I have a couple of other ideas, you know, like stirring a drink like tea or something. I'm not sure about the dexterity of this, so I'm not sure if that'll actually be able to happen, now that I'm looking at how thin and how it's just plastic. Like there's no grip, just the perforation type of thing here. So I'm not sure if it'll be able to actually grip like a spoon. But yeah, there's going to be a few smaller things. Like I have a catapult that I can launch marbles out of, so we'll see if it can pick up marbles and stick them in the catapult and then launch the catapult. That'll be pretty cool. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to get started on this, and yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing it finished, and I'll see if I maybe take a time lapse or something of me building it, at least part of it, and especially putting the wires on, because I think that'll be probably the coolest part, aside from actually watching it move when it's all done. Yeah, I'll have to figure something else out for videotaping, like me going over the code that I've written, because I don't know if this will work very well. I'm recording it on my iPhone right now, so I don't know, the quality of me recording my laptop screen with an iPhone isn't going to be great, so I'll probably have to figure out something else for that. But anyway, yeah, here's everything else is just plastic sheeting, I guess, to protect it. Yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing it finished, and yeah, I'll probably have it built in the next few days before we head back to school. We're on a Thanksgiving break right now, so probably not tomorrow, since tomorrow's actually Thanksgiving, but over the break I'll have it finished, and probably have another entry up on the video on YouTube. Yeah, we'll see how it goes.